Hey there, if you're a woodworking enthusiast, you probably already know how important it is to keep your tools sharp. But did you know that keeping your tools sharp is not only essential for the quality of your work, but also for your safety? I'll explain why keeping your tools sharp is so important and how you can do it. Dull tools are more likely to slip, which can lead to accidents. Plus, sharp tools produce cleaner cuts, which can make your work look more professional and polished. Now, let's talk about how to keep your tools sharp. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it might sound. The first step is to invest in quality sharpening tools. You'll need a sharpening stone or a sharpening system to sharpen your blades. A diamond sharpening stone is a good choice for most woodworking tools. Don't be afraid to take your time and go slowly. Once you sharpen the blade, use a honing guide to refine the edge and remove any burrs that may have formed. It's important to note that not all tools can be sharpened in the same way. For example, a saw blade will require a different sharpening technique than a chisel. But don't worry, there are plenty of resources available online to help you learn how to sharpen each of your tools properly. By investing in quality sharpening tools and taking the time to learn how to use them properly, you can keep your tools sharp and enjoy your woodworking hobby with confidence. Happy woodworking!